is the final journey of every woman. You can see the pride from the family as you are watching Amoke TV. The final journey of Mrs. There's Rabata anywhere. The children, the grandchildren are crying. Her friends are well sad and she has turned her life in one way or the other as we live. And she touched people's life in a positive way.